Video number 1. Let's talk about the video. Good morning, dear teacher and classmates. My name is Idalmis Martinez. I'm 27 years old and a flight attendant, but in this moment I'm a psychology student of Open and Distant National University. I'm married and I live in a naval base called Bahia Malaga. It's near to Buenaventura. 2. The video explains 5 steps for learning to improve our English listening. The first step is being relaxed. We mustn't worry if we don't understand something, because it's easy the final of the word. The second step is don't try to translate. When somebody is in English listening, mustn't try to translate, only must listen. The third step is use context to help you understand. When you don't understand one word, you must use the context to understand the meaning of that word. The fourth step is practice with different situations and voices. You must practice English listening from different situations like films, TV shows, songs, textbooks, audiobooks, and others. And different voices like male and female speakers, Australian speakers, American speakers, British speakers, Scottish speakers, and others. And the fifth step is make a study plan. If you want to learn to improve your English listening, you must study plan between 15 and 20 minutes each day with different activities. 3. In the video, the teachers tell about 4 different situations. The first situation is when someone is listening to an English teacher speaking British English, speaking slowly or clearly. Will situation be easy or difficult? And second situation is when somebody is listening to a native English speaker from Scotland who speaks with a Scottish accent and also use a lot of slang and idiomatic English. What would that situation be easy or difficult? 4. In the minute 3:31, the language spoken is Portuguese. 5. The 2 rules for the fifth step are: rule number 1. Do something every day. A good target is between 15 and 20 minutes daily. And the rule number 2. Do something different every day. You must do different activities each day, like listening music, audiobooks, speak with a friend, and others. 6. They propose a lesson plan for a week. On Monday, listen to 1 or 2 songs, twice or 3 times each. On Tuesday, listen to a podcast with American voices. On Wednesday, watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the United Kingdom. On Thursday, do a listening exercise from a textbook. On Friday, watch 15 minutes of a new show. On Saturday was 15 minutes of an old movie. And on Sunday, call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. 7. I will propose the next lesson plan. On Monday, watch an old movie 20 minutes and trying to understand the conversation. On Tuesday, speak English with my husband for 20 minutes. On Wednesday, listen one audiobook about different important news around the world for 20 minutes. On Tuesday, leave the wall for 30 minutes and trying to describe the different situations that I can see in my neighborhood. On Friday, watch a new in English for 30 minutes. On Saturday, listen 3 songs 3 times each. And on Sunday, listen to Eucharist in English. 8. For stick to my study plan. I will paste it in my program schedule for don't forget it. Then I will study at night because I feel clear with 100% brain power to study in that schedule. And I will highlight the activities that are ready. 9. According to the video, we can obtain material to practice in English in different pages on internet like Google or another search engine of our choice. Only we need to spend some minutes searching the material interesting to study English and read. We can begin to improve our English listening.